just want to ask, talk 5 million Mpofu, which will be used for Constituency Development Fund. What's your take on this?
Yeah, I think it's a calculation. It is the money that will go towards promoting candidates, especially for the ruling party, come election 2018. Remember, the last time we had this Constituency Development Fund, it is called CTF, there were a lot of irregularities that were even picked up by the Auditor General, but nothing was done to correct those anomalies. The few MPs that got, unfortunately, found themselves on the public scrutiny over the use of those funds, it centered around maybe misbudgeting, buying from shelf companies, or buying from companies that were said to be unregistered. It became more of a procedure than corruption or fraud, and as a result, the whole issue died down. I think this 5 million is just a start. They might give it to the constituencies for this term before the end or the beginning of the financial year. And next year, we're likely to see a bigger chunk allocated to us that area so that the candidates that have been earmarked for those constituencies, by especially the ruling party, get money to spruce their images and the party in those areas.